Hadi, so you are a developer.
Yes.
So tell me, what's stopping me from getting the $20 ChatGPT subscription and replace you right now?
I mean, you can do it, man, but who's gonna fetch your coffee every morning?
Fair enough. Okay, alright, show me the latest thing that you built that help make more money for our customer. Go.
Okay. So we're working on this feature called A/B testing. So it's basically experiment which you're running between two offers. It would see that which one gives you more AOV.
Okay, I have no idea. Every word that you just said is fairy dust to me. What I understand is this. I understand fish.
Fish. Are you
Yes.
into fish business?
In fact, I do. It's a side hustle. Fish.
Okay.
I want to sell more fish.
Okay.
Tell me, how can your thing help me sell more fish?
More fish. So can you just tell me how many fish you usually sell every day?
Every day, every customer comes to me and buy 2 fish.
Have you ever tried maybe to give them for more 3 fishes, but with getting maybe 10% off on those?
I have never tried because I don't know what discount I should give, if I would make more money with that or not.
Oh, so let's say you don't know if you wanna give them with 10% off or 20% off, and
Correct.
you have no data on that.
Correct.
Exactly. That's how the experiments will help you to do that.
Okay, show me.
Okay, come here, man. So here in the experiments page in the Upnova app, you're going to click on create new experiment. And here we're going to name it as fish experiment. And our primary goal is AOV. And for the secondary goal, I don't know, maybe you can choose orders or upsell rate. For this experiment, we're going to choose orders. And you can even decide how many traffic you want to allocate to your experiment. For now, we just want to have all the store visitors to see this experiment. So we're going to create a new bundle builder offer for you from scratch.
Okay, so for my first offer, I want to do buy 3 fish, get 10% off.
I'm going to create a new bundle builder for you here. I'm gonna name it as fish bundle fish. And then already created fish collections for you. I'm gonna choose both of them based on the best fish that you're selling right now in your market. So for the discounts, you said buy 3 plus and get 10% off. And it's worth to mention that you maybe want to change the size here, the headlines.
Okay, I got it. I have a eureka moment. I want to say in the header, best fish in the world and save up to 10% off. Go.
Okay. Save, create,
Perfect.
done. And since we are already going to have this simple, like similar offer, we're just going to duplicate it from the one that we already created.
But with a 15% off discount.
Exactly. Just come here down, change the discount, change the headline based on that.
But hold on. With one more change,
What change?
this is important. This version, I want a fish icon
A fish icon. Where? Exactly.
in the headline.
In the headline. Okay. For example, here, I don't know, the fish. We're going to create the experiment for you. Just a little double check. Yeah, we're going to activate the experiment for you. Boom. It was less than 2 minutes. Say less than a minute that we create that.
How do I know that this is working?
So easy. We will just go to your store. Since we already choose the fish collections, you will see the latest fish products here. We're going to choose one of them here, add to cart, and boom. Our Upnova card already detects the bundle builder of this product.
Okay, so we got one version that says 2 more for 10%, so that is buy 3, get 10% off.
Yeah.
How do I know that some customer will also see the buy 3 for 15% off?
Easy. There's a 50-50 chance that I'm gonna see the second version. So I'm going to this to my shop, to my market, and I add this product. Boom. Here I can see 2 more for 15% off.
Okay.
But on the desktop, I'm seeing 10% off.
This is important. How do I know which offer is making me more money?
Simple, man. Upnova gives you the real-time analytics of the experiments. And you can see the AOV, the number of orders, and you can decide which one is your winning offer. And you can just easily compare between the control and variant analytics.
Okay, very good.
Yeah?
I can see why I'm not hiring AI over you.
Yes. Can I fetch your coffee now, sir?
Yes, go.
Bye-bye.